Hello John, welcome back. And this tutorial we are going to be definitely talking about this self span tag. Now let's talk about it. So quickly let me open it up in a browser. Let me open a folder and then I can name my folder anything, but I'm going to name it specifically span tag. And I should open this up inside my code editor, which I'll be doing now. What else do we do? You guess it, right? We create a new file and we name it what? We name it index.html. And then what next? We bring out the normal HTML document structure. Change the title, which is just not necessary, but it's better. So now the span tag. So we can just open a span tag, which it also have the both opening and closing tag. This is the opening tag of the span and this is the closing tag, the one with a backslash, and we can type anything inside here. So let's type something, and you definitely been thinking what's the use of this span tag and stuff. This will get more and more useful when we get to CSS and JavaScript. So quickly look through what I write and then let's see it inside a browser. I haven't yet copy part and then go to the browser and paste what I copied exactly. So you can see this. Oh, I didn't put the is cool. I just write this cool. Yeah, all right, let me quickly add the is, which is is, and I can save it up and refresh my browser one more time. And you can see this is cool. This is span tag for you. So then what's the differences between span tag and p tag? So span tag is not a block element, it's an inline element. So what does that mean? If I go under here and write another span tag and I type in programming is cool and I save and then I go to my browser and I refresh, do you see it appears just in front of the this is cool? It doesn't go to another line like the p tag does. It appears just in front of it, even though all this can be overridden in CSS, but this is what it does. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next one.